Now this is my turn, and I'm little bit panic. Means as a instructor or as a resource person, if I will stand here and then I will feel it is very difficult for me to deliver anything. So I'm changing my role from now onward. In the workshop now I'm a customer, and all of you are my internal stakeholder. In business, two stakeholders are there. One is external stakeholder, another one is internal stakeholder. I am your external stakeholder, I am your customer, and you are my internal stakeholder of Honda. All of you are working with Honda. Imagine it, and let us see the beautiful thing, how the Honda is doing. How the Honda has solved one of the interesting problem pertaining to the Honda City car. And then we will analyze this case. This is the beautiful case I want to show you in front of you. Please watch it.
In manufacturing, measuring the results of each process is vital to the success of the company. At Honda of America, they rely on statistical process control to continually monitor and improve their processes.
Statistical process control is simply monitoring the consistency and the repeatability of a specific process. It's not a complicated thing. It's really quite a simple approach to understanding what is the reliability of my process. An example of that might be torquing a bolt. In torquing a bolt, there are a lot of variables that can go wrong to cause an over-torque or an under-torque situation. In that example, if we apply statistics and understand the actual capability of the process, we can predict the failure rate within that process and make running adjustments so that we don't have actual problems occur.
Another example of Honda's use of data collection to understand its processes is the door closing speed test. This test measures how fast a door needs to be moving in order to close, but without slamming it.
Connie is preparing to measure the door closing speed on our four-door Civic. The purpose of this test is to measure the amount of speed that it takes to close the door based on a customer's perception. The first thing she'll do is she'll scan the VIN number into the data mite. The data mite is simply a handheld computer. She prepares the car by making sure it's completely sealed, and then she attaches the sensor to the rear door and the interrupter to the left side driver's door. She'll repetitively take readings of the door closing versus the door not closing until she gets within 0.1 kilometers per hour. The gauge reads in kilometers per hour. So when she reaches a point where she's within 0.1 kilometers per hour of the door closing versus the door not closing, that's the reading she records. It may take about 10 to 15 tries to get an accurate reading. She found her reading, and now she'll punch the numbers into the data mite.